we're going to look at inverse functions. Basically, inverse function is this. Let's say we have a function where this is the data table. The x and y values -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 8, and 327. The inverse function notated with a -1, we call that the inverse function, is going to be no more than swapping the x and y values. So initially, this isn't going to look like much of an inverse function, but then you'll notice what happens here. So it's just swapping the x and y values. How do we do that algebraically? I'm going to show you how here. All right, we've got f of x is x over x plus 1, and we want to find the inverse function. What you do is you simply write down, instead of using f of x, I'm going to use y. Rewrite the equation, and then I'm simply going to swap x's for y's and y's for x's. So now I'm going to say x equals y over y plus 1. And now I'm just going to solve for y. So it looks like I can, cross multiply kind of thing. So x times y plus 1 equals y. Distribute the xy plus x equals y. I'm going to get all the terms with y's to one side of the equation. So x equals y minus x times y. And now I'm just going to factor out that y. So x equals y times 1 minus x. And like I say, I'm trying to isolate the y, so divide both sides by 1 minus x. So what I now get is x over 1 minus x equals y, or that is the inverse function. There you go.